These are the owners of the Renaissance International Plaza in Tampa. So pretty busy. This one has an Acme. Here in the lobby. Looks pretty much like the meeting room elevators. And there are the buttons. There's a phone right underneath the keycard scanner. Oh yeah, 3,500 pounds. And that's an interesting way to hide the key switches. Let's take this up to 8. Here at 8. There seems to be having an episode. I'll switch on the lobby. We'll try to get the one with the regular indicator. You can hear the TK buzz. All right, non-stop flight, nice.
Oh, thank you.
Yep,
Appreciate it.
no problem. There goes that one. Now we want one of these two. And it's this one. I don't know if we know what's in there. We're good. This one's got a fan on. So I'm guessing the key card readers for after hours. Let's take it up to 8 and listen to the buzz. Here at 8. And we'll end this on the lobby. Draw pulses after its chime. I guess I like that. Drop. And you're in the lobby. And I'm gonna talk over the music. There it goes. And that will be it.